is up, YouTube? And today we are back with another freaking video. So without further ado, let's get into the intro. Play the intro. Play it.
When it come to her, you go through shit for the person who you love. Like, I'm in love with her. So if this would come with behind being with her, that's what it is, Dream. I love her. Yeah.
Alright, y'all watch the intro, so we cool now. So I am going to be going to Virginia this weekend for a robotics competition. If y'all don't know, I mentor a robotics team that I used to be a part of not too long ago when I was a young little sprout. You feel me? But yeah, that's not the point. We're gonna be going. So I packed yesterday, but I still have like a couple little things to throw in my bag. So I was like, since I didn't record yesterday when I really should have, y'all can just see me throw these last few things in my bag, then I'm gonna get dressed. Cause if you know your girl, I'm forever in a day. Every time. If it involves being on time, don't invite me. Anyway, I'm totally joking. Totally. But I be on time sometimes, yeah. But yeah, be ready to pack real quick, then I'm gonna get dressed, and then I record again. So yeah, let's do this. Let's pack. Okay, guys, I am all packed. I'm dressed too. Hold on, let me show y'all the fit real quick. Okay, guys, so this is the fit I just threw on my PLT jumpsuit. If you watch my PLT haul, then you know where this jumpsuit, you've seen this jumpsuit before. If you haven't watched my PLT haul, stop, pause the video, pause it, go back and watch the PLT haul. Watch all of them, because I did 3. Yeah, so you know what? If you ain't watched all 3 of those, stop watching. Stop. Go watch them. Then come back. Okay? Alright. Now, I did have my hair twisted, but my twist, it came out. I didn't feel like retwisting it. And it was a lazy twist anyway. Like, I wasn't really gripping the hair like how I was supposed to. So I just took it out, put some conditioner in it. And this is what we have. Natural hair. Now, I did pack a wig with all my wig supplies just in case. Might gotta put the emergency wig on one day if my hair not cooperating with me. So yeah, I did pack an emergency wig. I'm not gonna tell y'all which one, y'all just gonna see. But yeah, this fit, I got hold on, because I'm short, I got the Crocs on, period. And yeah. So I am ready to go, I'm packed. And yeah, we finna do this, y'all. Y'all finna go traveling with me. Y'all excited? We going to a competition, a robotics competition. And if you've never been to a robotics competition, I'm just finna let y'all know things get kind of lit. I'm just trying. We get crunk in that. We finna get crunk. We finna get lit. We finna we finna dork it out. Purr. So just stay tuned, because we're gonna have fun. Alright, y'all? Alright. Okay, guys, so tripped on camera. Excuse my hair. I told y'all I packed the emergency wig because I really don't think I'm gonna be messing with my natural hair today or all competition. But yeah. So right now we're in the market because the hotel we're staying at doesn't have breakfast, so we're looking for breakfast. And I'm looking for toaster strudels because I can pop those at the microwave and take them on, You feel me? Okay, so frozen breakfast. Ooh, it lights up when I walk. We're in Kroger's. I never heard of Kroger's, so it must be like a Virginia thing. I've never seen them in Baltimore, so yeah. Oh, the lighting is good though. Let me Let's see if they have toaster strudels, bro. Now I'm gonna get Pop-Tart. Let's see, they have waffles, omelet bites. Ew. I mean, not ew, but like, ew. Toaster strudels. Why do they? I know they don't only have cherry or raspberry. Hold on, y'all. Oh. Bacon. Y'all out here eating bacon toaster strudels? Okay. To each his own. Okay, they have cream cheese and strawberry. There's a lot in there. Like, I probably only need like 6, but the ones that have 6 is like cherry and strawberry. I don't really, not to be picky, but I don't want that. I think I can just get that raspberry. What do y'all think? I don't really want raspberry. See, don't be like me, because I'm really picky. I'm not even picky, I'm just particular. Like, when I have my mind set on something, like, well, I don't think I have the strawberry ones. Alright, so we're but I want them. Guys. Let me pack you. And the cream cheese and the cream cheese and strawberry ones have 12 in them, and we're only going to be in here for 3 days, so I don't want to bring food back. So we're not. We're going to get a Pop-Tart. We're going to get a Pop-Tart. Let me take you guys out the freezer. Because they don't have the flavor I want. They don't have the flavor I want. Okay, guys, so we got cinnamon bun Pop-Tarts, and that's gonna be my breakfast, and I saw treat. They never have them. Never. They're very rare, but they had them today, so I'm very happy. Smiles. We're gonna check out now. Say hey, Coach.
Hey.
Say hey, Ara.
Granola bars.
Period. Okay, guys, so we are back at the hotel. I got my PJs on. I got my Champion sweatpants on too. Hold on, let me show you the fit. So, this is a shirt that I borrowed from a friend. That friend is never getting it back. And then my Champion pajama pants. You see? They're just too big, you know? But it's cool. I'm just tiny, guys. So I'm about to brush my teeth, and then I'm going to go to bed, and I will see y'all in the morning. But first, we're gonna brush our teeth. This light makes me look like I have clear skin. Also, guys, I tried to hot comb my wig while it wasn't on my head, because it looked a mess, because I haven't worn my wig in a while. Like, I've been doing really good with the natural hairstyle. She's like, y'all would be proud of me. And so yeah, but I knew this weekend we was gonna have to wake up early, so I wanted to bring my wig because I wanted to just throw it on, run the hot comb through it real quick and going out the door. You feel me? And I'm saying weekend like it's not Wednesday, because it's district championships, it's Wednesday to Saturday, but I'm used to competitions being Friday to Sunday. So yeah, but today's Wednesday, April 26th, and it's 11:09 p.m. And tomorrow we have to be at the Coliseum. Yep, the district's championship is in the Coliseum in Virginia. It's really cool. But yeah, we got to be there by 7:30, so I'm gonna go to bed soon. But first we're gonna brush our teeth, and then I'm gonna say a few words, and then I'm going to bed, bro. I'm going to bed. But yeah, let's do this.
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? And what we had felt so right, cause we had tried.
Okay guys, we have clean teeth, the bonnets on. I put wig caps on just so in the morning I don't have to do that. Like for my hair to already, well, I got toothpaste on my hair. I like for my hair to already be a little pressed down. So I always put my wig caps on at night. So, but yeah guys, I'll see you all in the morning because it's 11 o'clock. I got toothpaste over here too. Hey yo. Okay, no more toothpaste anymore. We're good. But yeah, I see you in the morning. I hope you all enjoy your traveling with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, be friends, remember? So like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, okay. See y'all in the morning. Okay, y'all saw them. I'm really going to bed. Good night. Why my finger look dilapidated? Good night, guys. Okay, so good morning, guys. I'm not gonna be really loud because everybody else is asleep. But it's 6:19 in the morning, and yeah, it's Thursday, April 7th. It's Thursday, April 7th, and it's 6:19 in the morning. Good morning, everybody. From KaeDae to you, good morning. But yeah, I'm about to start getting ready. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna put my wig on, and I'm gonna brush my teeth. So yeah, I'm gonna get dressed first, then I'll come back when I'm doing everything else, okay? Alright. Okay guys, so it is 6:30. And I'm trying to hurry up because everybody else is so asleep, and we had to be out of here at 7:30. So when I get out of here, I gotta, if everybody's set up, I'm gonna wake them up. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this in time lapse, and we're gonna do this as fast as possible. Wig, teeth, face. Let's do it. So this is the fit. Period. We're ready. Peace. See you guys at competition. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see, but behind me is the FTC and FRC field. They're setting up everything, but yeah, everything's about to start soon. I'm very excited. Okay guys, so this is our robot. It has a placard on it, like a little license plate that says nevertheless she persisted. That's like after our mentor, Coach Sharon. She recently passed away, but she was like an amazing person, and you guys would have loved her. I wish she was in this vlog. But yeah, this is our robot. It's clear shot. Let me show you guys the side. Yeah. Our pit. Our sign is like being coded to say different things, but you know, we'll come back when it's done. Okay guys, we're practicing. Coach Tyler is hanging onto the bars. We see Alex, Coach Luetta, Coach Christina. Let's see.
Yes, but not completely ready yet for practice. Right now, just have some time. I'm still trying to test it out. Then we'll switch to that. Yeah, I'll show you what we're doing.
That's Coach Dayash right there.
You're ready.
Oh! Yeah!
I'm gonna go back there. Alright. Don't you have a designated?
That doesn't suck.
Yeah, Ira, that's smart.
What?
That's smart to run the wheels backwards so that it doesn't recatch.
Okay guys, so we're up, so I'm about to flip the camera so y'all can see the bolts, alright? Okay, so guys, we're right there where the blue is.
First up, delivery service on us. It's 11:23.
Our match is about to start, so I'm gonna let y'all see the match.
Robotics. Looks like we have 8592 launching one cargo, two cargo up into the high. 8326 trying to launch one of the eliminated stuck on their robot. 8592 going back to their human player station. We have four cargo on the blue team in Anonymous. Starting off very close. We have 6326 for the cargo ready, going up into the high.
Yeah!
4242 picking up a piece of blue cargo. 8592 launching one more into the high with their very fast and maneuverable robot. 5549 grabbing a piece of cargo from the blue hub. 1731 picking up two more pieces of red cargo with their full noodle intake, double-sided. 5549 launching two red cargo into the high from across the field. 83 not too far behind them. 1731 launching two more. That's 415 cargo for the Blue Alliance and 14 for the red. Still very close.
Yeah!
6326 launching a few more cargo up into the high. We have 1123 launching two more into the low. 8592 picking up another piece of cargo. The Blue Alliance has gained their ranking point with 21 cargo split between the high and low goals. Red Alliance not too far behind them with 18. 6326 readying up and getting pushed by 4242 enough that it bounces off the rim. 4242 with a piece of red cargo stuck in their robot. Remember, it's not who shoots the cargo, it's what color the cargo is. We have 8592 zipping around the field, picking up blue cargo, and it is now end game, 50-52. Both alliances have gained themselves a ranking point. We have 1731 already traversed. 6326 and 8592 both still launching cargo. 4242 on the high bar. Are they going to go for a traversal? 1123 going for a low.
Guys, we won! We're on the Red Alliance, 6326. They do the Macarena to everything, guys. It's cool. Yeah!
Come on, y'all, let's go! trying to dominate that high goal already. (16-18) in favor of blue. Let's see what these teams will do.
Yeah.
Red Alliance trying to close that gap already. Blue Alliance trying to open it back up.
Red Alliance!
Red Alliance trying to fill that high hub again. Blue Alliance responding each and every time. Minute and a half counting down. It is 26-19 in favor of blue.
Go Bob!
Blue Alliance attempting to dominate that high goal. .45 seconds left. Blue Alliance trying to pull away. They're still close enough to get caught up. Will Red Alliance come back with these last few seconds? We know big points are about to be on the board because it's hang time! Supernova attempting that super traversal. Ragnarok saying it's the end of the game and the end of the world. Cresta Valley, they're up in the air. And that'll be time. Nothing but
Hey, my bad guys, I was cheering. But the match just started and there's our robot 6326, so we're gonna watch.
In favor of blue.
Let's do this. Our robot is shooter, guys.
Both alliances loading up low. Both alliances going up high. Either alliance wants to give up any wiggle room. They're going point for point. They're going score for score. Both teams said they want some more. Blue Alliance holding on to their lead with a minute and a half left. It's 36-20. Blue Alliance attempting to extend their lead, 42-24.
Y'all got this boat.
We've seen it before. Comebacks can happen. Red, do you have what it takes? Blue Alliance making their cargo bonus. Red Alliance not too far behind.
Yeah. Yeah.
But teams, it's about that time. It's hang time! At 54-30, in favor of blue, 116 is trying to traverse on a field near you. 24-21 is up there. 46-38 says they're going somewhere. 11-23 looks to be up. And 63-26 with a buzzer beater. Teams, it may be close. It might come down to the wire. Who has it?
Here's the thing. So, I think
That ranking point. We have Baltimore Bolts pushing 11:23. 11:23 with their hanger hanging onto the low. Accidentally, they almost got stuck, but they get off. We have 16 points.
The quintet. Now they only need 18 cargo to get the ranking point for cargo. 40.99 kind of stuck there against the hub. They grab their cargo, they shoot, they score. 32-13, Red Lions has the lead. 449 Blair Robot Project, they have some cargo, they get over the hub, they shoot, they score 1-2 up in that upper hub. 63-26. Baltimore Bolts, they're on the far side there. Kind of hard for the driver to see them driving around, but they're doing very well. 4099, they're on the opposite side over by the Blue Alliance hangar. 63-26, now doing a little defense here, pushing around 4099. Sparky's ready for the red light, shoots and scores in that upper hub. Their alliance partner 4099, they shoot a double salvo, one goes in. 56-33, Red Lions already has the ranking point for cargo. They only needed 20 or 18, they got 20 in there already. Blair Robot Project, they have cargo, they sally up and they shoot two and they score into that upper hub. 4099, the Falcons from Poolsville High School, they shoot and score in the upper hub. 620 quickly climbing in the Blue Alliance hangar. We got 30 seconds to go and they are already on the traversal. Alliance partner 449 Blair Robot Project heading over also. 4099 for the Red Lions Falcons. Their robot Kestrel, they're on the mid, now they're going to high. Can they do the traversal? 10 seconds left. Come on, Kestrel. Oh, their run is on one side. They can't do it. They're caught to...
Okay guys, so I know I haven't really checked in, and this morning I didn't record, but I just wanted to check in with you guys. It is currently day 2 of competition, but day 3 of us being here because we came on Wednesday, and it is April 7th, 1 o'clock. Right now my team is in practice right now, and I stayed behind in the pit to sit down for a little while, and just because I'm safety captain, so safety captain is technically not supposed to leave the pit all that much. But you know, so you know, I try to, especially when the judges are around, because that's what they're looking for, to see if the safety captain is in the pit. So I stayed in the pit because the judges are definitely walking around. Now I want to get some trouble, and yeah, but we've been doing good. Now we lost the last match because a robot on our team hit a robot while they were trying to climb. So that's an automatic penalty, and when you get that penalty, the other team gets 15 points. And so, which is an automatic traversal, which is when the robot climbs to the highest rung. And so it's okay, you know, it's a game, and we're having fun, and we're talking about going to Worlds. We might go to Worlds, guys. It's crazy. But yeah, this has been exciting. Yesterday when we got back to the room, I was going to record, but look y'all, we went to Carrabba's and I got this like amazing pasta. It was called Wheezy. It was the name before that, but I don't remember what it was called, but it was delicious. It had shrimp, scallops, mushrooms, and like this lemon butter sauce. That is zucchini lemon butter sauce with some Parmesan cheese on top. Then I had the grilled asparagus. Then I had the Caesar salad. Baby, I was bloated afterwards. If you know me personally, when I eat a lot of food and I get bloated, I like to call that Baby Joe, like a joke, like a food baby. I had a food baby, so yeah, I call my food baby Baby Joe. But yeah, and then I went back in the room. I showered. I did a little schoolwork, and I went to bed. Your girl was out. I'm getting old. So yeah, that's why I didn't record yesterday. I was sleepy and well fed. But yeah, it's day 2 of competition. Day 3 of us down in Virginia, and we're having an amazing time. We're ranked 30 out of 60 teams, which is amazing. We're amazing, especially for our first time at district championships. I'm so proud of us. And yeah, that's how it's going. So just keep watching this vlog because it's only going to get better. Tomorrow is Saturday, and oh no, I said it's April 7th. I lied. It's April 8th. It's Friday, April 8th, and it's Friday, April 8th, and it's 1 o'clock. yeah. So, but yeah, tomorrow, Saturday, April 9th, that's our last day competing, and then awards and everything. And some of those competition videos, y'all might hear me screaming. I like to cheer. I love robotics. So yeah, it's just hype, and I hope you guys are enjoying the matches and everything. In one of those matches, my phone did die. Rookie move. I didn't bring my charger yesterday. It was the last match yesterday, actually. I put a little caption that said my phone died, but just to reiterate, my phone died. Rookie move, didn't bring my charger, but didn't make that mistake today, so we're good. And yeah, so yeah, just stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys, because your girl, KaeDae, I'm gonna have y'all lit. Y'all gonna be joining my robotics team. Y'all gonna be joining robotics teams after this. You're like, let me go do FRC or FTC, because if you in middle school, you can do FTC. If you in high school, you can do FRC. So yeah, your girl in college, she a mentor, she alumni of her team. So you could also do that. But yeah, I'm gonna have y'all into robotics after this is all said and done, because it get lit. So just stay tuned. Love y'all. Okay guys, so one more thing. I realized I didn't show you guys our pit, so I'm gonna show y'all our pit real quick. Ready? Okay, so this is our sign. It says, welcome to the Baltimore Boats Pit. And then it says, good luck, first robotics teams. And yeah, team 6326. And then it repeats. And then this is where our robot usually is. Then we have our toolboxes and tools back here, like all of that. This is our box of pins and buttons. Boom. Our match schedule, our team number, how many pins we've given away. We've given away 17. And then our batteries. And then we have like our laptop and some more tools over here. Usually the driver's station is right here, but like I said, we're in practice right now. So yeah, that's our pit. Oh wait, here is Alex with the driver's station. So that's our driver's station, guys. And our team. Oh, you got a tiara.
I did. It was from the Koi team.
Okay.
They had a little coronation and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, yes, please give it to me. They
That's
on my head. It was very cute.
Yes.
Red card, blue card, almost free. The red line dropping 3 pieces of red card, going to that high goal. Mean Payments launching team up. This is 26-18 as we head into teleop. It is aggressive. We have a penalty on 449, the Blair Robot Project. 1599 circuitry with their robot Homer launching a blue cargo into the high goal.
Go ball!
63-26, the Baltimore Bolts not too far behind them, launching their red cargo as well, getting those points for the Red Alliance. We have the Mean Payments launching 2 more pieces of red cargo, only one going in. 449, the Blair Robot Project getting 2 more pieces of blue cargo into that high, getting this score ever closer, 32-34. We have 614, the Nighthawks whizzing around, almost tipping over, trying to pick up that piece of blue cargo. We're gonna see, sorry, that piece of red cargo. We're gonna see a blue cargo. 6802 with a piece of red cargo ready, but they get stopped by 1599 sliding in between them, picking up 2 pieces of blue cargo ready to launch it. We have 4 pieces of red cargo launched, but 2 of them just missed. And it's still a very close game. 2 points divide these 2 amazing alliances. 1599 with their hook flapping all over the place, trying to find more pieces of blue cargo to score those points. 63-26 Baltimore Fox pushing up against the Blair Robot Project. Defensive plays we are seeing this round. We have the 6802, the Mean Caymans, picking up that piece of red cargo, with behind them the Nighthawks, Circuitry, and Tiger Pride all attacking. But looks like Tiger Pride has lost connection. There is still a chance for them to get it back. We have 449 picking up a piece of blue cargo. 6802 gets both of their red cargo to the hop. The Blue Alliance still just 2 points separating these 2 amazing alliances, but the Blue Alliance gets their ranking point as they go in with 17 seconds left to climb. Circuitry with their hook already on that high bar. Going up for that Volt reversal on the Red Alliance. Then they do a reversal. It does not look like it. 6802 in the last second.
So, as I said earlier this morning, today is our last day here. So, yeah, I already finished my night routine. Got in the shower, brushed my teeth, washed my face, you know, did all that good stuff already. But we also ate before we came back. And remember how I told y'all I was bloated? I'm telling y'all, bloated. It's again, I call my food baby Joe. But yeah, suck it in. Not bloated, don't worry, you know, we ripped. But yeah, don't be calling me fat or none of that other stuff. It's just, I eat food and I like to joke about it, you know, food baby, because I eat a lot of food, so much. And I had dessert too. If you watch my story, you know, I always say that you should follow me on my socials. Instagram @_.Kanice. Twitter is NisiJ. TikTok is KaeDae. Y'all be missing stuff when y'all don't follow those. So to keep up with me, y'all gotta follow the socials, and that's on period. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. And I see you all in the morning. Okay? Me and the team will see y'all in the morning. And that's it. Also, it's kind of hot in here now because I turned on the shower to get in, but then like my songs start I queued all the songs that I played on. I was getting in the shower and then I just started dancing. Like, you ever had a dance battle with yourself? Hold on. You know, I told y'all, you gotta be your own best friend, your own bae, your own hype man. So some nights all I think about is you. Late night in the middle of June, he always best check me out and make you happier now. Or I'll be going to November. Go and mark your calendar. I'm all upbeat. It's just me and my twin in them. That loyalty, everything. Or she the type of girl that'll give you the world, but her mental health makes her wanna die sometimes. Or lean with me, rock with me, smoke with me, pop with me, high with me if you rock with me. But yeah, y'all. I'm kind of like bending so you can't really see the dance battle. Like, oh. Hold on. Break it down. Crazy. stares bonitly. Stares bonitly. Stares bonitly. Okay. But yeah, I'm going to bed now because it's stuffy in here. And because it's so hot, because it's steam, my nose is running. So yeah. See you guys in the morning. I love y'all.
Good.
Okay guys, it's the last day of competition. We're heading towards the Coliseum. The team is like bright and early, you know? We're all super excited to be here. Excuse my hair. I was not all the way up this morning. I just threw a head on. Didn't really run the brush through it, you know? I went all the way. Just in case any cars come. It's better to be on the side, you know? But yeah. We're going inside. Guys, you see this coach, he has a tutu on, right? So I'm trying to convince my coach to wear a tutu with like lightning bolts on it. I think the whole team will look good in them, you know? 30 comments and we'll get Coach Dias to wear a tutu, period. Okay guys, we're setting up. Let's see if we can do this thing. Almost.
Keep going. Yeah, down again. Look good. Going down. I don't want to go anymore. All right. Do me a favor.
Guys, look at his hat.
Their shot bounced it off of the edge, but 39-39 Bottom also misses both of theirs, but they launch it far and at least looks cool. For the Red Alliance, 17-27 Rex coming from their human player station, armed with 2 pieces of cargo, getting one into the low, but missing the other one, falling short. 686 on the Red Alliance, bovine intervention intervening with Bottom 4H Robotics. Attempts to shoot 74-29, spinning up their intake and shooter. You can hear it all the way from here over the sound of these robots as it whirs to life. 17-27 Rex, missing both of their shots again. Bovine intervention with their 2 low goals. Red Alliance currently in the lead, 27-28, to 12. 686 with another piece of low cargo trying to block Convergence's attempts to score any points, and they are successful. 122 Nash tonight. It's both of theirs off of the rim. A little bit more to the right, they would have made it. 39-39 Bottom 4H Robotics down on the far side of the field, and they come back up. Will they be able to last the match? Let's hope so. It's great when all 6 robots are running and working at full power. Baltimore Bolts looking around for some pieces of blue cargo. 17-27 with another very loud intake, whirring to life, but they bounce it off of the rim. 74-29, sounding like a lawnmower, mucking around. Now they sound like a jet about to take off.
Oh my God.
63-26, the Baltimore Bolts with a bit of defense against the Red Alliance Rex. They get 2 Red Alliance cargo in as we have 20 seconds left in the match. 40-20 in the Red Alliance's favor. The Red Alliance is 1 piece of cargo away from that crucial cargo ranking, and they get 3 in just for show. 46-20, the Blue Alliance has 2 teams currently on. 74-29, Convergence just fell off, but they are going back, but they do not have enough. They actually have enough time, just barely at the last second. On the Red Alliance, we have 686, but Blue Alliance human player tries to chuck a piece of blue cargo, but they overshoot. 14-10 as we enter into autonomous. The Blue Alliance getting 2 pieces of cargo in the high, but the Red Alliance getting 2 in the low.
Before playoffs.
32-74. Already with a penalty. They're fighting up against the Baltimore Bolts. 612 with their suction cup arm, dropping a piece of red cargo into the lower hub. 87-26, our rookie Crypto Hawk trying to launch a cargo into the high, but overshooting. 77-70 infinite voltage, dropping a piece of cargo into the low. Looks like they're going for one more. Are they going to go for the high? No, but they still make it into the low. The Baltimore Bolts now pushing against infinite voltage to electric related robots. 87-26, the Crypto Hawks lining up for a launch.
Yeah.
Trying to get it in, they get one. Nice. With their plywood shooter. Do not discount basic materials like that. They're simple, they're efficient, they're cheap. 87-26, Crypto Hawks bringing the cargo around the rim. The Robo Lines with a piece of cargo launching one, and they make it in, but it bounces itself out. Baltimore Bolts come up behind them with a piece of cargo. The Blue Alliance has currently taken the lead from the Red Alliance. Neither alliance is close right now to getting their cargo ranking point. And with 34 seconds left, we see infinite voltage going for that high climb. Looks like they have one hanger, one hook, so they're gonna stay on the medium. The rule is, as long as you are still touching a lower bar, your points count for that lower bar. So if you're on the high and you're touching the medium, it counts for medium. 612 Chantilly Robotics going for that full traversal with a massive piston on one hook, spinning around.
We're just bullying them.
21.99, the Robo Lions, but the Blue Alliance having done a traversal as well. Backed up by the Crypto Hawks on a medium.
Teamwork, developing relationships, learning new skills.
More of a Draco.
Come on.
6, 3, 2, 6. We're the ones you just can't miss. Go Bulls!
What is up, YouTube? And we are back home where I can be ugly in peace. Period. Yeah, so that is the end of this video. It is April 9th, 10th, hold on. It is April 10th, 3:44 in the morning. I didn't just get home. I got home at like 1 o'clock, 1:10, 1:44, you know, around that range. And I just sat on the couch for a while because this was a long weekend. And so, yeah, well, a while, like, I didn't really get up until just now and changed my clothes and made myself some tea because I've been screaming all weekend. So, yeah, I made myself some tea, elderberry tea and mint tea, you know, it's a combo. Try it, period, with some honey and some sugar. Ooh, ooh. Oh, y'all, I'm finna put y'all on. But yeah, I'm home. I'm going to wrap up this vlog because I'm really tired. And I'm going to bed, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This is my first time doing a travel vlog. So, you know, it's only up for here. We're gonna have more travel vlogs, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I can't wait to edit it and look through all my footage and put everything together. And I hope y'all like it. And please, without further ado, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified when your friend posts a new video. Period. Don't y'all want to know when your friend posts a new video? Like, come on now. We're friends. But hit the bell. Subscribe. Like. Leave a comment. Say hey. You know? Period. Oh, and follow me on all of my socials. My Instagram is @_.Kanice. My TikTok is at KaeDae. My Twitter is at itsNisiJ. I don't know if there's an underscore in there. I'll put it when I put it right here. But yeah. Follow the socials. Follow them. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Peace. So you made it to the end of another one of my videos. Okay. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to watch the rest of my videos too. Now, we just gonna dork it out.